What is Google Gemini? Hey there, tech lovers. Today, we're diving into the digital universe to explore the fascinating world of Google Gemini. Gemini is a revolutionary search engine developed by none other than Google. It's currently in its beta phase, which means it's not yet available to everyone. But we can still get a glimpse of its features and how it works. One of Gemini's standout features is its privacy-focused approach. It doesn't track your data, meaning no targeted ads or personalized suggestions based on your browsing history. This makes it an ideal choice for those who value their privacy and want to maintain control over their digital footprint. Another cool feature is its ability to filter out the noise and provide high-quality information from reputable sources. This means you can trust what you find on Gemini more than ever before. But remember, it's still in beta phase and some kinks may need working out. So don't be too surprised if you face issues or if things don't always work as expected. But the potential is definitely there, and it's exciting to see what Google has in store for this new search engine. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech trends updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the digital world.